Welcome to the review of Boat AirDops. These are basically wireless earphones. This is competitively priced at around 1300 rupees. Firstly, we will see what are the accessories available with this AirPods. We are going to get a USB Type-C cable of around 20 cm, a mini charging box plus case for holding these AirPods, a warranty manual and some other user manuals and brandings. As you can see here, the specifications say that music playtime is 3 hours for full charge with the AirDops and up to 12 hours with case. It means that there is battery in both the AirDops as well as the case. The case has a 650 mAh battery pack and the dopes have a 40 mAh small customized battery pack, which is clearly visible in the manual. The charging time for the battery pack Akka holder is 2 hours. The operation is very simple. All you need to do is you need to click on the button here. The moment you click here, it starts to emit the Bluetooth waves and you can easily pair it from your phone. This is the mini case plus charging. As you can see here, the 3 lights indicates the charging percentage in this battery pack plus holder. So currently it is fully charged and hence all the 3 LED lights are glowing. Coming to the performance, yes, the bass, the frequency response, fidelity, clarity is very exceptional. Also the range of 10 meters is completely good. Unlike some other local cheap AirDops, if you just move your head right or left, then the Bluetooth connection intermittently gets disconnected, which is not there in case of these Boat AirDops. Also, at the bottom end of these AirDops, you can see a magnetic charging connector through which charging takes place once you place these 2 dopes in this case. Each time you open the door of this case, a sound will be played. But the volume is very low, you might not be able to hear it. As you can see here, I have placed only one AirDop, namely the left side one, and I did not insert this. Now I am going to close the lid. If you see here, only one bright LED is glowing and 2 are glowing in a very dim fashion. It means that only the left AirDop is being charged because the right AirDop is outside the case. Now I am going to place the other AirDop as well. As you can see, now I have placed both the AirDops. Now if I close the case, the battery pack present in this case will charge the 2 AirDops and hence 2 LEDs will be glowing. Once the charging finishes, then all these 3 LED lights stop glowing and the battery case or the pack goes to low power mode. The charging time for this battery case is 2 hours and the charging time for the AirDops is 30 minutes to 1 hour. You can charge this battery case using a 5 volts 2 ampere adapter and with this inbuilt USB Type-C cable. You can plug this into the Type-C port given at the bottom of the battery case. Thank you.